Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into method. 16 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Tack. Which means a method of dealing with a situation or problem. Tack. For example, he changed tack and began to play in a different style. Number 2. Recipe. Which means something which is likely to lead to a particular outcome. Recipe. For example, sky-high interest rates are a recipe for disaster. Number 3. Routine. Which means a sequence of actions regularly followed. Routine. For example, his early morning routine never varied. Number 4. Approach. Which means a way of dealing with a situation or problem. Approach. For example, we need a whole new approach to the job. Number 5. Tactic. Which means an action or strategy carefully planned to achieve a specific end. Tactic. For example, the minority attempted to control the council by a delaying tactic. Number 6. Plan. Which means a detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. Plan. For example, the UN peace plan. Number 7. System. Which means a set of principles or procedures according to which something is done. System. For example, a multi-party system of government. Number 8. Technique. Which means a skillful or efficient way of doing or achieving something. Technique. For example, different techniques were developed for dealing with the problem. Number 9. Practice. Which means the customary, habitual, or expected procedure or way of doing of something. Practice. For example, it has become common practice to employ women lawyers for the defense in rape trials. Number 10. Formula. Which means a method or procedure for achieving something. Formula. For example, the forlorn hope of finding a peace formula. Number 11. Procedure. Which means an established or official way of doing something. Procedure. For example, the council agreed a procedure for dealing with future breaches of the law. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.